Hello YouTube, I'll be doing a quick EDC update. It'll be a pretty fast video, so let's get started. Olive drab paracord Cobra weave got it from eBay for $10. Zippo lighter, the black crackle version. Light's pretty good. Got it for $12.99 from eBay, and it was made in April 2010, just for Zippo fans, whatever. Calm green LED flashlight, got it for $1.99. On camera isn't that bright, but in real life it is, so it's pretty good. I'll be getting a Phoenix LD20 for my birthday, so I'm excited for that. And coin purse, just have some coins in there, obviously. That's all I got in there. And let's see, let's go with the wallet. Wallet, $10 from Walmart. Put my debit card in here, usual stuff, Hunter education card, Oklahoma, go Sooners. And they lost to Missouri. Can't believe it. And yeah, poison help, 1-800-222-1222. Call that if you're getting poisoned right now. That is 1-800-222-1222. And Advil. And $10 in my money, just for you to know. About 2 feet of paracord. Smith's Pocket Pal sharpener I got it from Walmart for $10. Has a ceramic sharpener and a carbide sharpener and a ceramic rod for sharpening serrations. And my watch, it's Armatron watch. It's pretty nice. Got it for, let's see, $50 from Target. And keys, I have a P38 P38 can opener, and some keys, orange paracord lanyard, a Kershaw chive. Took off the pocket clip, torsion bar broke on me. I was flipping it. I was always opening it and closing it, so I gotta get that fixed. Got it for $30 at Academy. Gerber artifact, got it from Academy also for $10. Pretty useful. Gerber artifact, if I didn't say it, I forgot. Carabiner. I don't really use the carabiner, I just have it on there. And let's see, my multi-tool. It's a typical Leatherman wave. Regular knife. Serrated knife. I am left-handed, that's why it sucks for me. I have to open it like this, and close it like this. So, pretty good multi-tool, pretty useful. And yeah, I have a little orange paracord, little lanyard on there, little thing to pull on. And last but not least, Spyderco Pacific Salt. And I love this knife. I just got a cut from it today, right there. And yep. Yeah, it's H1 steel, which is completely rust proof, and everything else is rust proof. Titanium pocket clip, and no liners, and useful. Also have it as a left hand configuration. Yeah, and pretty good wear and tear on there. A lot of scratches. Been using it a lot. Right there. pretty sharp. And I got this from knifeworks.com for $79. The regular Pacific Salt with the silver blade is $65, $69, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I love this knife. So, and that's pretty much my EDC. So thanks for watching, YouTube.